Desktop usage rates for keyboards with different layouts. This 104-key keyboard takes up quite a lot of space, leaving no room left on the desk. The Leo 80 keyboard does not feature a numeric keypad, which saves some desk space, although not a great deal. The Vero 7.5 keyboard's distinctly compact design makes the desk feel increasingly comfortable and spacious. This is the Fox 6.5. This compact 60% layout keyboard looks great on a desk and is very comfortable to use. You could even add another 40% keyboard. Since switching to this 40% keyboard, my desk has suddenly felt much more spacious. I feel like I can fit a few more of my favorite little trinkets on it. Finally, everyone has their own preference when it comes to keyboard size. I'd love to know which size you all prefer. Feel free to have your say.
Chosfox.